So now I'm going to explain the front panel on the Silver Jubilee head. So we have your standard power switch and standby, but this third one here, which says low and then high output, allows you to switch the amp between the full 100 watts or switch it to half power using pentode triode. Moving across, we've got the standard EQ, so there's presence, bass, middle and treble. The next one along, we've got the output master, so that's the overall volume of the amp. And then again, we have a lead master. So what this does, it gives you a separate volume control for when you switch the amp into the lead mode. And then finally, we have the input gain. So there are a couple of push-pulls on the amp. So we've got a pull for the channel, which is on the output master. So you can basically change it from the original clean sound or to the lead sound using the push-pull there, but that's also foot switchable. And then on the end, on the input gain, there's another push-pull, which is called rhythm clip. And what that does, it introduces a clipping diode, similar technology to what you get in overdrive pedals, and it allows you to go from a clean to a crunch on that first channel. So if you don't want a clean and a lead sound, you can have a crunch and a lead sound, so that's really useful.